Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique. No panic. Professional. Contour surgery? Take one. Oh no! Cute? Impossible! Wait, I tried! I fixed everything! Mostly! Ahem! Professional! Totally professional! Scarlett's facelift coming right up!
Whew. So hard to cute! Very difficult. No panic! Professional! Jawline enhancement, phase 1.
Oh no! Cute is hiding! I must find it! Abort! No! Continue! Continue! Commencing glitter detox. Hold still, evidence is slippery. Well, that escalated.
Listen, champ, you're stepping onto the field. Head high, whiskers forward. We're gonna win this game one beautiful play at a time. You with me? Good. Now, whoa, ugly emergency, doctor stressed. We proceed, beauty is pain. Cold pack, precision bandage, sculpting. Oh yeah, that's art. Work it. Yes, that's my patient.
Ugh, bad idea. Oh my, ugly level high, emergency upgrade. I am surgeon and influencer. Watch this. Okay.
Hey, style! Oh, she's so ugly. My job very hard today. This is not mistake. This is style. Pose.
Enhancement very hard today.
Don't worry, I watched many tutorials. Ha ha ha. Fashion.
This is completely fake. Don't tell him. Beauty enhancement very hard. I need miracle. Do not move. Please. Please. Perfect.
This face, very advanced, ugly, professional only. This is not mistake. This is style.
Oh, so hot to cute. I might cry. Ahem. We do deluxe upgrade package. Nobody saw that. No one saw that. Look at that finish. Deluxe, baby.
Listen up, champ. You and me, one play, we win the whole season. Steady eyes, steady heart. You ready? Woof. I can fix, but my confidence low. Easy fix. Trust the doctor. Almost there. Whoa! See? Rockstar. You're welcome.
Wow. Tough case. Please don't bite me. Abort. No, continue. Okay, facelift tape. Stick not there, that's fine. And wig for volume. Whoa. Huh? And
This face, hard mode. I need miracle. Don't worry, I watch many tutorials. Hey, where's my pad? Seriously? Oh! Ah,